Welcome back to my videos. Compare kong hiatus noon. So, last year pa yung last upload ko. So, ngayon at least meron akong upload. So, ngayon for today is like punta akong Ocean Park and I think mamumuha kami. So, kasama ko si Leo. And, ayun. So, i-vlog ko kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa araw ko. So, let's go!
Pag niluto mo, ano kaya nasa niyan?
Kaya nga eh. Ano ba tawag yan? Ito?
Nakikita ko sa ano to eh. Sa mga aquarium. Ano? SpongeBob din. Ano? Kanya Ayun o, habis siya ito. Ah, sabi ko lang, nag-ipon na ata siya yung
Tapos nalunod din.
medyo bumis na lumang
Pasko na.
Ano to? Iwa? Day-day-day. Legay.
Sobrang sa akin. Tulog. Yung isa gising eh. Weird siya. Ito, may medyo.
Siya sa dulo.
Ayun siya.
Mystic head and wildfire.
Pa dati. May kaya kikinain. Ito yung memory ko.
Sabi ko kasi mukha siyang tulog eh.
to the sea, but also inland and air. That's what here. And I'm going to trainer. She is the best. Oh, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Kaya. Together with her name, say hi. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why the movie or where the movie is about? Any idea? The answer is no. It actually goes from the front livers, which are shaped like a mermaid. Ang result, they can walk right, one on land. And that's the final demonstration of a Porcelain Man. And you know what guys? They have slow and flexible legs. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? Ang Porcelain Man. And as you can see, their body is overwhelmingly coat of short hair. And their whiskers have the slight vegetables. They contain nerve spiders, which make them sensitive. Oh, nice one. Hey! They may also use their whiskers to aid navigation or generate radiation from the water. And their bones and upper members for rocky beaches. They have excellent variability to respond on the course.
Hi guys, so nakauwi na ako sa bahay and medyo kinat-short ko na din yung nangyari sa Ocean Park kasi parang nauubos na ito ng storage kasi phone lang yung gamit ko to film. So, ayun. And then, well, what happened after ng Ocean Park is puta kami na mawa, yun lang. So, hindi na ako nag-vlog doon. Kaya parang, this is like mga nangyari lang sa Ocean Park. Yung mga na-film ko sa Ocean Park. So, ayun lang. So ayun, since kakauwi ko lang din from MOA. So, ayun. I'm gonna cut this video na since today is Sunday and tomorrow may pasok na. So, back to being a student na naman tayo, guys. So, ayun. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. I hope magkakaroon ulit ako ng upload. So, ayun na. Bye!